Okay, this is the first sanding of the golf cart that I did. Still got to remove the pinstripes, scrape this off, but I just wanted to see how this sand pad would work, just to give it a try. And it scuffs it pretty good. Take the dullness out. This is popped off. This is going to be a custom plate. Fill it in with some body filler. And y'all see, just stay tuned. The next thing is, see how dull it is. So all you want to do is scuff it, take the dullness out. Still got the sheen on the back. I haven't did anything on the back. But if you pay close attention, you can see where I did at. The difference. This area here looks totally different from the sheen. Dull and making progress. So I'm happy with the results that I got with the pad that I used. I'll be doing the same thing back here. Same pad. I'm going to go ahead and scuff this up a little bit more with the front. In the front, remove this, work on removing the pinstripes, get half of it done, and then move to the back. I did this little inconspicuous area right here just to kind of show the difference with the sheen, and it dulls it out. When I get done moving the stripes, dulling it out, scraping off what I need to with WD-40, getting it ready for adhesion promoter, primer, and paint. Not in that exact order, but I will be using those three. Then I'm going to go to my sandpaper I got. Bear with me. My sandpaper I got, my garage is kind of all over the place right now. I was in it last night. So after I go back over it one more time with that pad, remove everything I need to do, everything is down, fill the inconspicuous, fill the spots in, body filler, get it ready to prep for paint. Then I'll move to the engine, have the engine installed, cut this middle piece out, and install this engine here so that it's already installed, running, everything like that. I can tape that area off, and then I can actually do my paint that I'm going to do. I'm going to go with a Simpson theme golf cart, so stay tuned for that. Now with this sandpaper here, it's wet or dry sandpaper. The floor also be getting done too. I'm thinking about just doing some rhino liner and rubber type of coloring that's going to go with the paint thing. Once the body filler is in, I'm done sanding and I'm doing the final sand. this is what I'm using. Wet and dry. For my finish. So yeah, got some 800 also. That's the shiny part that haven't been sanded, as you can see. It's just that one corner that you can tell that's been sanded there. I'll walk around there and stop being lazy. So yeah, you can tell that's been sanded. This corner's been sanded. Compare it to this corner here. The rims will be a powder blue, like the Simpsons light blue. And for now, I'm going to keep the same tires and rims on there until I get some actual, like a set of golf cart rims. But to make the theme add up and to make it look good as I'm riding it like that, this is the plot for now. Blue. And we're going to go back with these hubcaps. Yellow. So we got a blue background and yellow. Or I may do a donut theme on the hubcaps. Make them pink with sprinkles. Window will be tinted. Seats will be done in either blue or yellow. Don't know yet. May do pink. Top will be painted. Yeah, stay tuned. We're doing the Simpsons themed golf cart. I may make a video and show y'all some shoes that I painted, custom painted. Simpsons. I custom paint shoes too, so I make those video of men and just slap them on top of the cart, and that'll give a little bit more realistic idea. But thanks for watching the video. I'm about to get back to sanding so I can go get some actual work done today after this, after it cool down a little bit, after hobby time. Thanks for watching the video. Like and subscribe, and there will be another video here coming soon of me having the back done and the pinstripes removed, along with the parts in the body that need to be filled and done throughout the cart. Thanks. Have a good day.